Hello students, today we are going to learn the articles. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the article a before words. So, let's get started. Hello students, how are you?
We are doing great. Thank you.
Now tell me, do you remember the lesson of using the article an before words?
Of course, I remember. We use an before the words beginning with vowel sounds.
Very good. If you don't remember, go to the description down below and click on the link given. Then you will get the video of using the article and before words. Now let's learn how to use the article a before words. Okay, children, tell me how many consonants are there in the alphabet?
There are 21 consonants in the alphabet.
Very good. What are they?
They are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Now let's learn words beginning with consonants. B, B, box. C, K, cat. D, D, dog. F, F, fox. G, G, glass. H, H, hat. J, J, jug. K, K, key. Now read by yourself. Excellent! Now let's learn more words beginning with consonants. L, log. M, man. N, net. P, pen. Q, quill. R, rod. S, soap. T, tap. Now read it by yourself. Great work! Let's learn more words beginning with consonants. V, van. W, watch. X, X-ray. Y, jack. Z, zip. Now read by yourself. Well done! This is A. We use A before the words beginning with consonant sounds, especially for singular nouns. Examples: a box, a cat, a dog, a fox. Now read by yourself.
A box, a cat, a dog, a fox.
Read these examples too.
A glass, a hat, a jug, a key.
And more words to read.
A log, a man, a net, a pen.
Now tell me, do you know to use the article a before words?
Yes, we use the article a before the words beginning with consonant sounds.
Well done! Okay, students, thank you for watching. I hope you learned the use of the articles a and before words. I will upload a reading video next week. Click on the subscribe button. You will get notifications when I upload a new video. See you soon.